NBC10 breaking news.
A federal jury in New York finds singer R. Kelly guilty on all counts in his sex trafficking and racketeering trial. Kelly now facing up to 20 years in prison when he's sentenced in early May.
Joining us now is NBC10 legal analyst Enrique Latoiz. And Enrique, thanks for being here. So R. Kelly was convicted of racketeering, which is a charge that a lot of people associate with organized crime, but prosecutors were very intentional applying it to Kelly's case. Walk us through how that happened.
Well, racketeering, you think of racketeering, you think of someone running a racket, something doing organized, like organized crime. And what he did in this particular matter was he used his fame, his fortune, he used his employees to help him run an organization, run a racket where he exploited these young victims, and he used them for, sex crimes and things of that nature. He used his managers, he used his drivers, he used his employees, he used everyone. The prosecution actually had a picture of an octopus that they actually used as a graphic in this case, and they used the octopus and the tentacles to kind of use that as a demonstration to say, this is what R. Kelly was doing, using his organization to run a racket, which is racketeering.
So it was all the way back in 2008 when he was acquitted in his child pornography case. That was in Chicago, right? But since then, we've seen the Me Too movement, the Surviving R. Kelly documentary that chronicled the abuse allegations against him. Do you think all that media attention had an impact on this case?
Well, that documentary comes out and COVID hits and we're all sitting at home looking for things to watch. I mean, who didn't see that documentary? That documentary put a light on what he was doing. And the Me Too movement, what it allows people who maybe previously did not want to come forward or did not want to participate in the legal process now feel more comfortable about doing that. So the Me Too movement in his particular case allowed the prosecution to take a closer look at what was going on from all the things in the documentary. And they were able to put that case together. They were able to get witnesses to cooperate. And here we go. It's all guilty on all charges.
And he faces some other cases in other states as well. Enrique Latoiz, and thanks for your insights. We appreciate it.
You're welcome.